So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to have 1.2 line spacing here in the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, simply just go to the right hand side of your screen. So just for example here, if I were to just type in some text, I will just type in regular line spacing. So as you can tell, if I were to go ahead and type in the exact same thing, regular line spacing. The line spacing just by default is 1.0 or single line spacing. Now, if you want to increase the distance between one line to the next, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the right hand side of your screen, go down below to where it says spacing right here. Press on the drop down to open up the drop down, and right below single there is 1.2. Simply just go ahead and press on 1.2. Now, as you can tell, the line spacing has increased, and if you were to go to the next line right here and type regular line spacing 1.2, there is a 1.2 line spacing, and if you want to go ahead and switch it back, just go to this option right here, switch it back to whatever you want. Now the line space is back to normal. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to have 1.2 line spacing here in the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.